Can't figure out how to change the auto power off time on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? By default, the camera might turn off too quickly when idle, which can be annoying, but don't worry. It's simple to adjust the auto power off timer. In this video, I'll show you how to change the auto power off time on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's start. First, turn on the camera. Swipe down to bring the menu options. Now tap on the gear icon, scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on the auto power option. Here you will get a few options like 30s, 1 minutes, 2 minutes, etc. Now select one of them, and then the camera will automatically power down after a period of inactivity. So there you have it. This is how you can change the auto power off time on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.